Are you ready for what's to come? So let's get it. We got 15 chicken wings cut into wingdings, drumettes, and the flats. We're gonna add some yellow mustard. We're gonna also add in some Cajun seasoning. We're gonna also add in some garlic powder. And we're gonna toss in some onion powder. Along with some paprika. Then we're gonna add in some Nora's chicken flavoring. Along with that, we're gonna toss in some parsley flakes. Last but not least, a little bit of MSG, just a little bit. Then we're gonna add 1 packet of Szechuan seasoning. Now we're gonna give it a mix. Now your wings should look just like this. Now we're going to allow these to sit for at least around about 35 minutes before we add these to the air fryer. Okay, we're going to place our wings in our air fryer basket to give these a nice little crisp. And then at the halfway cooking mark, we're going to go ahead and turn these. So you might have to cook your wings in batches. And if you try this recipe, it's a guaranteed success. And you're going to definitely love how these wings turn out. So right now we're going to cook our wings at 400 degrees for a total of 28 minutes. And then we're going to shake them at the halfway point. Once your wings are done, they should look like this. Nice golden color. Then we're going to remove these to the side. All right, so here we are with our air fried wings. These are the easiest air fried wings that you could basically eat. Now you could eat them plain. I like using some of my Texas Pete wing sauce to put on top of these, and they came out golden brown and crispy. A lot of people don't like their wings dredged in the sauce, so I'm just gonna go and just sprinkle some right on top, and we're gonna call that the day. Now I'm gonna go ahead and taste one of these wings as if I've never tasted these wings before, but I got to taste one of these wings just for you beautiful people watching on today. Please give this recipe a try. It is definitely one of the easiest and simplest air fried recipes that you could definitely try to get a nice crispy wing. And when I tell you it is heavenly and also good, I really do mean it. And whatever you do, you got to try it. And don't forget the Kool-Aid. You're gonna need a nice glass of ice cold lemonade to go with this. Thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace. This is so good.